Alright, y'all. We doing the unboxing Jamira birthday gift. It's a slime maker kit.
Alright, y'all. Let's open this. Okay. It kind of do. Okay, y'all. This is the slime kit.
Oh, it's giving very much cute. Turn it around, Mira. Show them the top. That with a bag.
Look at the top. It's
Here
a
with the
babe, a
top.
beautiful teal.
Take the plastic. Alright, take your plastic off so they can see the inside.
Alright, open this.
Turn it back to the front so I can show them the name of it. The name of the kit. This was from Amazon, y'all. It's the cream ice butter slime combo kits. Make your own ice cream candy cake. Oh shoot. Let's see.
Alright, y'all.
She opening it. She's taking the plastic
y'all can get
off.
this off at Amazon if y'all want it.
Alright. Take the top off. She trying to do a ASMR for y'all, but we gotta get the mic. But yeah. Alright, y'all.
Okay, y'all. So first up, we have some beads to go inside the slime. We have a brown one, like a purplish.
That's like brown. And then there's the pink one.
Pink, a very, very dark pink. Then we got the instructions.
Just the instructions, y'all. Look at all the different ones they got. Alright, y'all. So
Next
let me
up,
wait a minute, Mira. This is the inside, the sprinkles, like all the little stuff to make. Oh, it's so cute.